This one can't hear me. Good morning, Anil sir.
Good morning, madam.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, madam. Absolutely fine.
Sir, we'll start the session within 5 minutes. Let us.
Yeah. I think many people have to join, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, madam. No problem. No problem.
Thank you,
My
sir.
voice is clear. Am I
Yes,
audible?
yes. It is audible, sir.
And make me co-host so I will able to share my screen.
Yes, yes. I'll make you host then.
हाँ सर बोलो ना.
You can make me co-host also, not an issue.
So we don't have that option. Before your turn, I'll make you host. Give you rights of sharing.
Good morning.
Anil sir will start the session. Students will join in few minutes.
Okay, madam.
Okay, sir. Good morning, everyone. Before starting the session, I request everyone to stand for national anthem.
मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे, जय हे, जय हे।
Sorry, there was some technical problem. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Good morning and very warm welcome to our honorable chief guest for the day, Dr. Anil Garg, international motivational speaker, our honorable in charge principal, Dr. Neetu Kapoor ma'am, staff secretary and IQSC coordinator, Dr. Savita Punjabi, all my colleagues and dear students. I welcome you all for this first activity of the year, Reading Day, which is celebrated all over the country. Hearty welcome to one and all. Let's pray to Ma Saraswati for her blessings.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहाम्। हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्।
First of all, I would like to thank Anil sir for accepting our invitation. We are fortunate to have you here, sir. Today we are celebrating National Reading Day. It is celebrated to honor the father of library movement in Kerala, the late P.N. Panikkar, whose death anniversary falls on 19 June. He is associated with Kerala's universal literacy rate of 100% and the propagation of libraries in the state. Their slogan was Read and Grow. So 19 June is marked as the Day of Reading. This year we are celebrating it online due to COVID-19 pandemic. Reading plays an important role in the development of an individual. Progress of a person depends on how rich his knowledge base is, and rich knowledge base depends upon reading. Hence, we should develop reading habit. It will help you to build your own vocabulary and improve understanding. On this reading day, we are going to learn some tips on important aspect in our life, that is time management. It is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. Good time management enables you to work smarter so that you get more done in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. Failing to manage your time damages your effectiveness and causes stress. So, going ahead with the program, I invite our in charge principal Neetu ma'am to address our students.
Very warm good morning to all of you. To respected resource person, Dr. Anil Kumar Garg, my colleagues and all my dear students. To have a person who is an international motivator, a corporate coach, sales guru, a professional counselor, strategic thinker and empowering leader, I think is an apt personality who can talk on time management. We all always have an excuse of not doing anything is that time ही नहीं मिला. Some people always say that, including me, if I don't want to do something, I always say, अरे time ही नहीं मिला काम करने का. So this is how we say, how we do. In fact, reading नहीं करने का एक reason ये है कि time ही नहीं मिला. The one most important reason that we give when we don't want to read is, अरे time कहाँ है पढ़ने का? Where we get time to read newspaper, where we get time to read the thoughts of great writers. So this is how we link today's topic, how reading and time management goes hand in hand, because every one of us has experienced these words with our own self. I did not read, I don't read only because I don't have time. So I think Anil sir, you would be the right person to speak on this. We are really honored to have you with us. I welcome you on behalf of Bharat Friends Association's management, staff and students, sir. We are great privilege actually to have you as a speaker, and we are really thankful to you for joining us. Thank you so much. And now this platform, virtual platform, is yours, that you can teach us how to manage our time. But I 100% believe that it is mere excuse, because people don't want to do something, they give an excuse that time nahi mila. So let us understand that time milta nahi, nikalna padta hai. That is what is very important. 24 hours घड़ी में होते, हमारे पास नहीं होते. घड़ी से अपने पास लाना बहुत important है. So we need to learn that techniques that we manage everything and be a balancer in a life. So, sir, over to you. Thank you for joining us. I know it will be an excellent session that we are going to have with you. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Neetu madam, honorable principal. And good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Can I have your videos on, if possible, so I can interact with the people, right?
Excuse
They're
me,
all
sir.
dynamic people, yeah, please.
Sir, before starting session, I request Bunty sir to introduce our resource person.
Yeah, no problem.
Very good
And
morning to one and all. It gave me immense pleasure to introduce international motivation speaker, corporate sales guru, corporate coach and sales guru, experienced professional, counselor, strategic thinker, and empowering leader. I guess these are enough to describe one person, but it is little bit confusing and little bit, I can say, challenging for me to introduce such a great personality today. I'm introducing Dr. Anil Kumar Garg. He has done his PhD in economics, MBA first rank, MCom first class, BCom merit list. Qualifications speak itself with a 34-year experience in corporate as well as in academic world. He has also worked with brands like Pidilite, Chorus, Bharti Vidyapeeth, Armit, ISBN, at a senior position where he has been giving a corporate training, as well as he is a person who is of out of box thinker. Also, he is charismatic and committed leader who has a very superior communication and presentation skill. He has been invited by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, which we call as a AICTE, for giving us motivation speaker on stress management to institutions, faculties, students throughout the country. There are so many other places which he has been uh, called for motivation speakers. So I just named few of them because the list is very big to me. He has been invited at a Canara Bank, MP Bhoj, Open University, Bhopal, Bombay Management Association, and he is also a member of Maharashtra Apex body with the blessing of Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar ji. With this, he has given 1500 plus training program or workshop and management development program all over India. I think the numbers speak itself about the personality. Last thing I want to add to her personality about his ambition. The line which I can read and make a meaning of. His ambition is to make life meaningful, active, charming through the smart working, continuous change, and the upgradation of oneself and other. I think this personality speaks much more about motivating and continuous change, upgradation. So it is honor for me, sir, to welcome Bharat College Association, Bharat College of Arts and Commerce, and to Bharat family. Welcome you, sir. Thank you for being a part of Bharat College today's session. Over to you, Rushali ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Bunty sir. Sir, now I request our resource person, Anil sir, please take over.
Good morning to everyone.
Good
Good morning.
morning, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. At the outset, I'm extremely thankful to Neetu Kapoor Madam, Honorable Principal of Bharat College, Brishali Madam and the entire team of Bharat College for taking so much of, pain in bringing me here and, arranging this webinar so we can interact with each other, right? So in next 60 minutes, I want your 100%. Are you ready to give me your 100% in next 60 minutes? So if you give me 100%, I will give you 100%. And
Yes.
remember one thing,
Yes.
100% efforts will bring 100% results. 70% efforts will bring 0% result. So please give me your 100% and please switch on your videos so I can interact with all these dynamic people, right? You are all young, dynamic and energetic people of Bharat College, faculty members and students. So I can interact with you in a better way because I don't like to interact with the screen. Screen से क्या बात करूँगा, आप लोगों से बात करनी है. So can you please switch on your videos? Then it will be great for me. It will be good for me to, deliver the session in a better way. If I can
Everyone,
interact
please
with you.
switch on your video. Students, teachers, everyone, please switch on your video.
Thank you so much, Pushpa Madam, Gopal ji, thank you so much. Rimjim ji, thank you so much. और किसने ऑन किया है दिख नहीं रहा ज्यादा वीडियोस तो और ओके परफेक्ट सो आई थिंक प्रॉपर मेकअप नहीं हुआ है सबका एनीवे नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम ओके सो टाइम managing your time is the topic for today and today is readers day also. Reading habit somehow in this digital age is going away from our mind. Today's students, they don't open the book. In our times, we keep on reading so many books. But remember, reading book is so much essential for you to become successful in your life. If you see every successful person on this planet, whether it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi or Biden or, Abdul Kalam Azad or Mahatma Gandhi, they all were found to be a good reader. So reading book is so essential. And nowadays you have digital book, e-book on your mobile phone. It's not necessary you go for, physical book, but you can read e-book because reading book will enhance your knowledge skill. It will upgrade your knowledge and skill and you will be a better person and successful person. So please keep developing this habit of reading in you and it's not necessary to keep read book only once. You can read one book 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. And when you read the same book second time, there is nothing new in this book, but you can find something new in that book. So reading is so essential. I'm also a good reader, and I keep on. I really like reading books regularly. Every day I spend some time, maybe half an hour at least, in reading the books and upgrading my knowledge and skill. So with this appeal, I would start my session on managing your time. Now, first thing is, remember, time is money. Do you agree with me? If you are agreeing with me, write why in the chat box. Time is money. Time and tide wait for none. Yeah, Preeti ji ne why likha hai. Just write why if you are agreeing with me. Time is money and time and tide wait for none. समय और काल किसी का इंतजार नहीं करते, और समय ही पैसा है. जिसके पास समय है वो सबसे बड़ा करोड़पति अरबपति है. और अभी पेंडेमिक में तो टाइम की कोई कमी नहीं है. वेरी गुड पुष्पा जी, प्रियंका जी, वैशाली जी, श्वेता जी, कोमल जी, मानसी जी, very good, very good. Everybody should write why. So I should, I should know that yes, you are all listening to me. Yeah, you are all active. You are not having pizza or burger or puran pori because you are keeping videos on, so you can enjoy food and you can enjoy other things and everything. So give your 100%. Perfect, perfect. Yashashwari, Mansi ji, Reena ji, thank you so much. Everybody should write. Everybody. There are around 45, 50 participants. So everybody should write why. Perfect. So time is money. And as it was there written in the caption by Bharat College people, that time, whether it is used or misused, it cannot be retrieved. Time को हम दोबारा नहीं ला सकते हैं दोस्तों. It's gone means gone forever. And for me, for you, for Varshali madam, for Neetu Kapoor madam, the time is available 24 hours, equal to all, and it cannot be retrieved. Time को दोबारा नहीं लाया जा सकता है दोस्तों. Number 2, time cannot be replaced. If you lose money, you can earn money. Money can be replaced. If you lose stock, you can build up new stocks. If manpower leaves, you can appoint new person. But time cannot be replaced. Time cannot be substituted also. Instead of machinery, you can put manpower. Instead of manpower, you can put machinery. Reena ji ने video on किया था 1 second के लिए, फिर off कर दिया. So it's good. At least I could able to see some of you. Great. So time cannot be substituted also. It cannot be retrieved. It cannot be replaced. It cannot be substituted. My dear friends. Time is so important. Time is so important, my dear friends. You do not know that time is passing without giving us any time. Time जा रहा है. It's going on, going on, going on. And when we see time into 3 phases: past, future, and present. भूतकाल, वर्तमान काल और भविष्य काल. हम जानते हैं ना, time can be divided. ये तो time का ही 3 part है ना, past, future, and present. And if you see, analyze your life, our life is oscillating between past and future. Past and future. ऐसे घड़ी के पेंडुलम के जैसे है ना, oscillate करती है हमारी लाइफ, या तो पास्ट में या तो फ्यूचर में. And in the process, we lose our present moment. We forget our present moment. The present moment is the most precious and important moment of our life. Present has 2 meanings in the dictionary. Present means today, and present means gift. So present is the most precious gift of God to you, my dear friends. और इस present time को ही हम लोग utilize नहीं कर पाते. क्यों? क्योंकि या तो हम past में जीते हैं या तो future में जीते हैं. We are worrying about the past or worrying about the future. I'll tell you a joke. One foreigner, when Britisher came to India, he went to a village in UP. He saw a curd there. दही को उसने देखा, and he asked the person, "What is this?" अभी वो बेचारा, उसको तो अंग्रेजी नहीं आती थी. So he explained that dahi to that English person, that Britisher, "Sir, this is curd. This is dahi." Then he asked, "What is this?" Then he said, "Milk, night, morning, tide." Milk, night, morning, tide. So I'll tell you a joke. When Britisher came, he asked, "What is this?" He said, "Milk, night, morning, tide." I'll tell you a joke. When Britisher came, he asked, "What is this?" He said, "Milk, night, morning, tide." My God, you must be wondering why Dr. Anil Garg is repeating the same joke 3 times. Am I getting mad? No, I'm not getting mad. I have done it deliberately, my dear friends. My point, my question, I'm now posing a question on you. when you don't laugh on the same joke again, why do you cry on the same problem again? जब हम एक ही चुटकले के लिए दूसरी बार नहीं हंसते हैं तो हम एक ही प्रॉब्लम के लिए बार बार रोते क्यों हैं? My dear friends, please stop crying, start trying. There is no wisdom in crying and crying. Oh my God, this has happened. Oh, हो गया, जाने दो. Past is over. Can you change the past? Can anybody change the past?
No.
Suppose you lost your near and dear one, and you are worrying, oh my God, I lost my father, I lost my mother, I lost this or that. So, okay, there is nobody who is permanent on this planet. Somebody has taken early flight and everybody has to take the next flight. सबको एक दिन जाना है. Nobody is immortal. कोई अमर है क्या यहाँ पे? नहीं है. सबको एक दिन जाना है. कोई जल्दी चले गए, किसी ने जल्दी फ्लाइट ले लिया, किसी को लेट फ्लाइट लेनी. जाना सबको एक दिन है. So why to cry on the same problem again and again? Get up. You know, in a game of boxing, you know, boxing के game में मालूम है सबसे important क्या है? When you are down, you have to get up in 10 seconds or less. बॉक्सिंग के गेम में जब आप नीचे गिर जाते हो तो 10 से कम सेकंड में आपको गेट अप होना पड़ता है, उठना पड़ता है. इफ यू डोंट डू इट, यू आर फिनिश्ड, यू आर आउट, यू आर डूम्ड. खत्म. 10 सेकंड के अंदर गेम खत्म. सो बाउंस बैक एबिलिटी, हाउ फास्ट यू बाउंस बैक. होता है प्रॉब्लम, सबको आती है जीवन में, सबके साथ जीवन में तकलीफ है, बट हाउ फास्ट यू बाउंस बैक. होल्डिंग इनटू द पास्ट is not going to help you, my dear friends. So either we are brooding over the past or we are worrying about the future. Oh my God, what will happen to me? What will happen to me? What will happen to me? I'm telling you, there is a saying that future is not in your hands. No, I don't agree this at all. I'm telling you, your future is in your hands only. आपका future, आपका भविष्य आपके ही हाथों में है. Listen to me carefully. Highlight my presentation now. Whatever you are today is the outcome of your past. What you are going to be tomorrow will be decided by your today. आप जो कुछ भी आज हो अपने पास्ट का परिणाम हो, और कल आप क्या होने वाले हो ये आपका आज डिसाइड करेगा दोस्तों. This is the law of karma. So whatever you are going to do today, you are going to get fruits tomorrow. वो fruits आपको कल मिलने वाले. Going to get fruits tomorrow. If you sow this, whatever you sow, so will you reap. If you sow the seed of cactus, you will get cactus. If you sow the seed of mango, you will get mango. आम का पेड़ बोगे तो आम आएगा, बबूल बोगे तो बबूल आएगा. So whatever you are going to do today, you are going to get the consequences or karmas tomorrow. So your future is in your hand. I want to congratulate all of you that you have chosen to come and join this webinar. You can pat on your back. आप अपनी पीठ थपथपा लो. You taken a right decision. एक अच्छा डिसीजन आपने लिया, अच्छा निर्णय लिया कि ये वेबिनार ज्वाइन करना है, हमें अपना नॉलेज और स्किल को अपग्रेड करना है. बिकॉज राइट डिसीजन इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. किसी ने बहुत अच्छा लिखा है, वैशाली जी आप ध्यान से सुनिए, बड़ा अच्छा लिखा है किसी ने. आगे सफर था, पीछे हम सफर था, रुकते तो सफर छूट जाता, चलते तो हम सफर छूट जाता. मंजिल की भी हसरत थी, उनसे भी मोहब्बत थी, अब दिल ही बता मैं उस समय कहाँ जाता. मुद्दत का सफर था, बरसों का हम सफर था, रुकते तो बिछड़ जाते, चलते तो बिखर जाते. यूं समझ लो, क्या समझ लो कि प्यास लगी थी गजब की, प्यास लगी थी गजब की, मगर पानी में जहर था. पीते तो मर जाते, ना पीते तो भी मर जाते. बस यही दो मसले जिंदगी भर हल ना हुए. यही दो मसले, डिलेमा ऑफ टेकिंग राइट डिसीजन. यही दो मसले जिंदगी भर हल ना हुए. ना नींद पूरी हुई, ना ख्वाब मुकम्मल हुए. ना नींद पूरी हुई, ना ख्वाब मुकम्मल हुए. देखो टाइम के बारे में आप बोलते हैं, मैनेजिंग योर टाइम. ऑन ए लाइटर नोट आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू, वी ऑल इंडियंस वी आर वेरी गुड in managing our time. Most of us, you know, have this Parle G biscuit dipped in tea or coffee or milk. हम लोगों ने Parle G बिस्किट को मिल्क में या टी में या कॉफी में डुबो के पीने की आदत तो है सबकी. अभी नहीं तो पहले तो रही थी. Everybody has done this, and that is a fantastic example of time management. One extra second, the biscuit will go inside. So we know how much time we have to dip that biscuit in the tea and how much, and then we have to eat it. So we are all very good in time management. हमको टाइम मैनेजमेंट अच्छे से आता है, लेकिन कहते ना वक्त ने क्या कहा? वक्त ने कहा काश थोड़ा और सब्र होता, वक्त ने कहा काश थोड़ा और सब्र होता, और सब्र ने कहा काश थोड़ा और वक्त होता। वक्त ने क्या कहा कि थोड़ा सब्र होता, और सब्र ने क्या कहा काश थोड़ा और वक्त होता। अभी नीतू मैडम ने बोला ना, बस हम हमेशा एक ही बहाना मारते हैं, हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, वी डोंट हैव टाइम, वी डोंट हैव टाइम। ऑल नॉनसेंस। जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बना उसके पास भी उतना ही टाइम है जितना तुम्हारे पास है, तुम तो अभी चीफ मिनिस्टर भी नहीं बने हो। जो अमेरिका का प्रेसिडेंट बना उसके पास भी उतना ही टाइम है जितना तुम्हारे पास है। सबके पास इक्वल टाइम है। दिस दिस इज ऑल बहानाबाजी, दिस इज ऑल excuses I'm telling you. It is up to you, it is your life, you have to take the honors of your life. How long you will continue to depend on others? You are all young now, you are all energetic, you are all in the age group of 18 to 22. Take the ownership of your life, it is your life, my dear friends. And this time, as I told you, it's money. If you waste, there is a saying, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. But if time is lost, everything is lost. Because you cannot retrieve the time. जिन लोगों ने आज का वेबिनार का टाइम खो दिया, they are a loser. There is a saying, there is no dearth of opportunity on this planet. इस planet पे opportunity की कोई कमी नहीं है. But when opportunity is knocking your door and you are sleeping thinking it is a noise, opportunity will shift to the next door. We have a lot of complaints. Oh my God, मेरे को opportunity नहीं मिलता life में. Who said? We get enough opportunities in our life. I'll tell you a story of a believer. एक बड़ा भगवान का भक्त था, एक गांव में एक लड़का था, and there was a flood in his village, and water level was rising to the shoulder level. So when water level came to the shoulder level, one boat came and they asked him, कि come, we want to rescue you. He said, no, you go, my God will save me. भगवान का भक्त था ना, तो बोला मेरा भगवान मुझे बचाएगा, तुम लोग जाओ. Now water level came to the ear level. Then one helicopter came, one rope came, and they asked, please ये रस्सी पकड़ो, we want to rescue you. बोले तुम जाओ, मेरा भगवान मुझे बचा लेगा. Then water level came, crossed to the almost to the eyes level. Another, thank you, madam. Another helicopter came, and they asked, take this rope. He said, no, you go, my God will save me. And finally, what happened? He went to the God directly. सीधा भगवान के पास पहुंच गया. And जैसे ही पहुंचा, started complaining, oh God, I was your believer. मैं आपका भक्त था, आपने मुझे बचाया नहीं. You not saved my life. And God means what? G-O-D, generator, operator and destroyer. इस सृष्टि का बनाने वाला, चलाने वाला, संहार करने वाला, ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, महेश, ये सब भगवान ही है. So God smiled and said, my dear friends, I know you are my believer, but who sent that boat? Who sent that first helicopter? Who sent that second helicopter? It was me. I sent you that boat. I sent you first helicopter. I sent you second helicopter. I tried to save your life 3 times. क्या करें? 3 बार अपॉर्चुनिटी आई, आप एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहे, तो मैं क्या करूं? तुमने मरने का ही सोच लिया था, तो मैं तुमको कैसे बचाता? तो जीवन में अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है, लेकिन हमने मरने का सोच लिया, तो भगवान भी क्या करेगा? हमने सोच लिया मरना है, तो क्या करेगा भगवान? Right? So it is in our hands. When opportunity is knocking our door, we should grab the opportunity, embrace the opportunity. There was an opportunity to many people to join this webinar, but you lost it. It means lost it. It's gone forever. A new opportunity may come, but the same opportunity will not come in your life. Opportunity जो आती है, एक ही बार आती है दोस्तों, अगर वो चली जाती है, दोबारा वो आती नहीं है. ये ध्यान रख लेना. अच्छा, how many of you know relativity theory of time? Do you know time is a relative concept. Time क्या है? Relative concept है. And Albert Einstein, he has given a theory which is called relativity theory of time. Do you have any idea on the theory? Anybody? If you can help me write in the chat box. Any idea on relativity theory of time? Okay, no. Okay, perfect. No problem. If you don't have any idea, I'm going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you technical part of this relativity theory. Okay, no, koi baat nahi. Moses, Rina ji, thank you so much. Even if you don't know, you can answer no, na? Everybody should answer quickly, na? If I ask one question, I should get answer in 1 minute. All 50 answers should come in 1 minute. Whether it is yes or no, whatever, why or n, it should come quickly. Yes. Roshni, thank you so much. Mansi ji, thank you so much. Very good, fantastic. Quickly. Instant hona chahiye. Instant food, instant coffee, instant food. Yeah, Jahir, Sheikh, thank you so much. Okay, no problem. Yashesh, okay, no problem. Alvin, no problem. Okay, Neha ji, okay, very good. Shita, very good. Acha, very good. Priya, thank you so much. Very good. Vrashali ji, आप जरा म्यूट पे रखेंगे. कोमल, thank you. वृषाली जी आप म्यूट पे कर देंगे प्लीज.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you don't know, no problem. According to Albert Einstein, time is a relative concept, which means we see the time in a relative term. I'll explain you with an example. Suppose you are watching T20 cricket match, 3 hours cricket match, right? You like watching T20, right? आपको पसंद है. So this 3 hours won't feel you. Oh my God, 3 hours gone. But if I tell you, you are all aspirants to join corporate world, from tomorrow or from today, you must watch CNBC channel, news channel, upgrade your knowledge and skill. In 15 minutes, you will feel bored. अरे सर ने किधर फंसा दिया, right? Because time is a relative concept. We see the time in a relative term. I'll give you one more example. Priya and Mansi, for example, they are the best friends, Priya ji and Mansi ji. And they are going from Mumbai to Goa by 2x2 coach bus. I'll change the example. Priya ji is going from Mumbai to Goa in a 2x2 coach bus, and beside Priya ji ke paas mein, there is an old lady sitting, 75 years old, lot of coughing and sneezing and all this. So this 12 hours journey from Mumbai to Goa will feel Priya ji like 24 hours journey, because that old lady is sneezing and coughing during the whole 12 hours. But while coming back from Goa to Mumbai, Priya ji is accompanied by her best friend Mansi ji. आते समय उनके साथ मानसी जी है जो उनकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. Now this 12 hours journey will feel him like 12 minutes journey. Oh my God, मुंबई आ गया पता ही नहीं लगा. So time is a relative concept. हम time को relative term में देखते हैं. If you are enjoying something, it won't feel us. You play your favorite game, your football or tennis, whatever you play. So when you are playing your favorite game, it won't feel you 3 hours चला गया, 4 hours चला गया. You enjoy the time. Now one more example of relative concept. Suppose you are enjoying this session. It won't feel you that session is started around 45 minutes, around 40 minutes. Session is going on. 40 minutes pass, 35, 40 minutes passed already. But if you don't enjoy the session, what will happen? Every 5 minutes you'll keep on watching your watch. Oh my God. कब तक पकाएगा? Oh my God. So if you're enjoying, it won't feel you. Time is passing. But if you're not enjoying, oh, it will hurt you. Oh my God, ये time कैसे pass होगा? कब session खत्म होगा? कब मेरे को pizza खाने को मिलेगा? So time is a relative concept, my dear friends. So what we have to do now? Now I will share a slide with you, because managing your time, it is available to us very limited. 100 years back, if you remember, or if you visualize, 100 years back, today the population of the whole world is around 7 billion, 700 crore लोगों की population, right? 100 years back, ये 700 करोड़ लोगों में से कुछ लोग थे क्या? नहीं थे. And 100 years after from today, will they be there? No. 700 करोड़ लोग जो आज प्लानेट पे है, 100 साल पहले तो नहीं थे, 100 साल बाद ही रहने वाले नहीं. So we are here for a limited period. थोड़े समय के लिए आए हम लोग. उस थोड़े समय को हमें अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करना है, अपना नॉलेज स्किल अपग्रेड करने के लिए यूटिलाइज करना है. We should not waste our time. We should utilize our time for upgradation of our knowledge and skill. So I'm now going to share a slide with you. Okay. So there are 4 quadrants of time. Time के 4 quadrants होते हैं. Do you know what is it? First is urgent and important. Second is less urgent but important. Third is urgent but less important. And fourth is less urgent and less important. Do you have any idea on these 4 quadrants? Can you tell me what is urgent and important? Anybody? Anybody can share? If you know about these 4 quadrants. Any idea on this? Okay, no problem. So what is urgent and important? Suppose you are in a business, or you get a call from your professor, your teacher, your faculty member, or your principal. That is urgent and important both, right? Can you avoid call from your principal? No, it is urgent and important, right? Suppose you are dealing with a client, you are a doctor, there is a call from your patient. Is it urgent and important? Yes or no? Yes, urgent and
Yes.
important. There is a breakdown. Electricity is gone. You will immediately make a call, urgent and important. There is a breakdown of your car, you will go to mechanic because it is urgent and important. A baby is crying, suddenly you saw a baby is crying. Urgent and important, you will go and make him or her happy.
Yes.
There is a blind person waiting to cross the road. You see that blind person, don't you think it is urgent and important to help him
Yes.
to cross the road? Suppose you are into business, there is a complaint from a customer, you are into service industry, there is a complaint from customer that AquaGuard is not working, AquaGuard is not functioning. Is it urgent and important? Yes, urgent and important. So there are few things which are urgent as well as important. You cannot avoid them. आपको अटेंड करना ही होगा उनको, राइट? अब ये वेबिनार का आपको कॉल मिला, ये भी अर्जेंट और इंपॉर्टेंट था, लेकिन लोगों ने नॉट अर्जेंट नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट में डाल दिया उसको. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने उसको नॉट अर्जेंट नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट में डाल दिया. It was urgent and important. Today is Readers Day and your college has taken so much of initiative. Neetu Kapoor madam has taken so much of initiative, right? But second is less urgent but important. Important तो है मगर urgent नहीं है. Can you tell me what is that? Personal calls. अगर आपको पर्सनल कॉल आता है, इंपॉर्टेंट तो है बट अवॉइड कर सकते हैं, अर्जेंट नहीं है. घर में मेहमान आ गए, बिल बनाए मेहमान, ड्रॉप इन विजिटर्स एट आवर होम, व्हाट टू डू? Important visitors have come. Now suddenly you must have heard there was a ring bell, doorbell किसने बजा दिया. अभी क्या करेंगे? Important है, अटेंड करना ही पड़ेगा. If you want to do favors to somebody, important but not so urgent. Opening your mailbox every day, important but not urgent. Opening chat box of your friends, अपने चाहने वाले का चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज आता है तो वो अर्जेंट और इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, राइट? बट ए बिजनेस ईमेल बॉक्स It's important but not urgent, right? Now, urgent but less important. Business planning, health, professional development, preparing for meetings, goal setting, going for holiday. Hello, can you please keep yourself on mute? And lastly, less urgent and less important. जो urgent भी नहीं important भी नहीं है, क्या है? Watching mindless TVs, watching Netflix, watching Amazon Prime, playing mindless games, doing internet surfing without any aim, doing others' job. These are all not urgent, not important. So if you understand, you have to prioritize your whole task. What is urgent and what is important? That is priority number 1. What is less urgent but important? Priority number 2. Priority number 3, urgent but less important. And then priority number 4. But what we do prioritize less urgent and less important on the top. Surfing नहीं करना इंटरनेट के, लेकिन वो सबसे पहले हम करते हैं. 24/7 we are busy on WhatsApp. We have changed the nature, law of nature. Day becomes night, night becomes day. We sleep at 2 o'clock in the night, 3 o'clock in the night, and you can order Domino's pizza. 2 बजे रात को Domino's pizza order कर दो, 2:30 it will be delivered. Half an hour it will be delivered. So we are eating food in the night. 3 o'clock we are eating food. 3 o'clock is called as a Brahma Muhurat. It's a wake up time and we are sleeping at the time. We are going to bed on that time. So we change the nature's law. And that is all, eating in our success. Then we start crying, oh my God, why this has happened with me? This is nonsense. तुम जिम्मेदार हो. तुम्हारे साथ जो कुछ हो रहा है उसके लिए तुम जिम्मेदार हो. अगर तुमने डिसीजन लिया आज मुझे वेबिनार ज्वाइन करना है, मुझे नॉलेज स्किल अपग्रेड करना है, तो तुम जिम्मेदार हो. इसलिए तुमको अपने आप को शाबाशी देनी होगी. अगर तुमने डिसीजन लिया नहीं मुझे अटेंड नहीं करना है, मुझे तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ पिकनिक में जाना है, अभी जल्दी लॉकडाउन खुला है तो अभी जल्दी से मूवी देखने जाना है, तो इट्स योर कॉल. आपका कॉल है, आपने डिसाइड किया है. कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस आपको भुगतना है, उसका फल आपको भुगतना है, मुझे नहीं. जैसा आप कॉल लेते हैं, जैसा आप कर्मा करते हैं, उसका फल आपको कल मिलने वाला है दोस्तों. आपके कर्मास में ही आपका फल है. जैसा कॉल आप लेते हैं आपका फ्यूचर यही डिसाइड हो जाता है दोस्तों. You decide your future here only, right? So this is all theoretical. I have already discussed with you. Now what I'm suggesting to you, please prepare a time log for you, and don't do it for whole life, just for 7 days. 7 दिन के लिए दोस्तों मेरी बात मानो, 7 दिन के लिए टाइम लॉग बनाओ. टाइम लॉग कैसे बनाओ कि जैसे मान लो सुबह 6 बजे आप उठते हो सो के, so 6 o'clock you put a detail, wake up time or whatever जो भी करना है ना. मैं काम करता हूँ, मैं एक दूसरा स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ, है ना. 1 मिनट रुकिए. So you can see the time log in a proper format. Yeah, can you see this now? You prepare this time log. So suppose you get up at 6 o'clock and 6 to 7, what you done? You done fresh up and everything. So you will, what you will do? You will put in essential and go to bath and all those things. Fresh up, right? 7 to 9, what you done? WhatsApp में लग गए सुबह सुबह. हाँ, WhatsApp देखा. ये क्या है? ये तो waste of time है. I'm just putting. और सपोज सुबह सुबह आपने क्या करा, स्टडी में लग गए तो स्टडी में डाल दो, फिर यहाँ से हटा दो. अगर स्टडी किया तो टाइम यूटिलाइज हो गया, अगर व्हाट्सएप देखा तो टाइम वेस्ट हो गया. सो लाइक वाइज है ना. 7 to 10 क्या किया? 7 to 10 ब्रेकफास्ट किया, चलो इधर डाल दो, एसेंशियल था, मजबूरी थी. बाथ एंड ब्रेकफास्ट किया, ठीक है. फिर 10 to 6 क्या किया? कॉलेज गए, चलो यूटिलाइज हो गया टाइम, कॉलेज गए, है ना. फिर 6 to 9 क्या किया? है ना, गॉसिपिंग, तो वेस्ट कर दिया टाइम. Likewise, you calculate out of 24 hours, how much time you have utilized, how much time has gone for essential, and how much time has been wasted. If you do this exercise for 7 days only 7 days, It will open up your mind. आपको खुद अपने आप को आप मिरर में देख पाओगे. You will able to see yourself in the mirror कि where I am, what is my time management, how I am managing my time, how much time out of 24 hours I am utilizing, how much time out of 24 hours I am using for essentials, and how much time I am wasting. So once you are able to know this, then the roadmap is there in front of you. Suppose you are wasting 12 hours out of 24 hours. So then you can take a call कि अभी मैं कल से 12 hours waste नहीं करूंगा. I will waste only 8 hours or 6 hours or 4 hours. Suppose essentials are eating away your 8 hours time. 8 hours for essential is too much. हाँ, of course, if you add sleep also in that. Sleep को add कर दो तो 12 hours essential में जाता है. 6 hours sleep, 7 hours sleep, and next 4-5 hours other things. So 12 hours for essential is okay. Ideally, what should happen? 12 hours should go for essential, and 10 to 11 hours should go for utilization, and 1 to 2 hours go for wastage. Are you getting me? So when you know this much time you are wasting, you can move on to the utilization. Because awareness is there. आपको पता लग गया कि time waste हो रहा है, तो अपने आप उसको use करने लग जाओगे. Right? Make sense? बात जम रही है आपको? So maintain this time log only for 7 days. ज्यादा दिन नहीं. 7 दिन में आपको पता लग जाएगा कि कितना टाइम आप वेस्ट कर रहे हो, कितना टाइम आप यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो. Right? So I'm going back to the same slide again. So these 4 quadrants we discussed already. So now, my dear friends, remember one thing. Time is precious. To realize the value of 1 year, ask a student who failed in his examination. 1 साल की वैल्यू उससे पूछो क्या होती है. To realize the value of 1 month, ask a mother who has given birth to a premature baby. To realize the value of 1 week, ask the editor of a weekly. उसके लिए पूछो उसको कितना important है 1 week. To realize the value of 1 day, ask a daily wages worker. Now in this pandemic time, these daily wages workers are suffering heavily. They don't have even food to eat. They're suffering heavily. To realize the value of 1 hour, ask the lovers who are waiting to meet. They will tell you what is the value of 1 hour. 1 hour is like 1 day for them. 1 घंटा इंतजार करना उनको 1 दिन के बराबर लगता है. To realize the value of 1 minute, ask the person who missed the local train. मुंबई में लोकल ट्रेन आपने मिस किया, 1 मिनट मिस किया, आपका कॉलेज का लेक्चर गया, टाइम गया, आपका आधा दिन का सैलरी कट गया. और अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो तो टीचर से आपको फायरिंग मिलने वाला है. That is the value of 1 minute, right? If you miss the train. And to realize, I really enjoyed one thing in Mumbai. Before I came to Mumbai, I was in a small place called Neemuch. So there used to be कितनी बजे का ट्रेन है, 12 बजे का, 12:30 का ट्रेन है, 1 बजे का ट्रेन है. Like that we used to. But in Mumbai I came 12:32 का ट्रेन, 12:38 का ट्रेन. So this so precious time. 12:38 का ट्रेन means 12:38 का ट्रेन. So in Mumbai I realized what is the value of time. It's so precious, right? And to realize the value of 1 second, ask the person who has survived in an accident. जिसने एक्सीडेंट में सर्वाइव किया, 1 सेकंड का गैप हो गया और बच गया. 1 सेकंड अगर ज्यादा लग जाता फिनिश हो जाता. And to realize the value of 1 millisecond, ask the person who has won silver medal in the Olympic. Are you getting me? Make sense? Make sense? Right? Fantastic. Thank you so much. So my dear friends, time is passing without giving us any time. Every moment we are coming closer to the death. हर क्षण हम डेथ के नजदीक जा रहे हैं दोस्तों. My humble request to all of you is please learn to give respect to the time. समय को रेस्पेक्ट दो दोस्तों. समय को इज्जत दो, इज्जत. Why I'm telling you, if you don't give respect to the time, and if the time will stop giving you respect, अगर आप टाइम को इज्जत नहीं देते हो और टाइम में आपको इज्जत देना बंद किया तो क्या होगा मालूम है? योर बॉडी फ्रॉम वर्टिकल टू हॉरिजॉन्टल. If time will stop giving you respect, that is going to be the last day on this planet. Please give respect to the time. Time is money. Time is everything, my dear friends. And it's passing. Every day it is passing without giving us any time. My dear friends, this lockdown period has come to realize you to value of the time, the technology, how fast the change is happening. 2 years back, have we ever realized that we will meet on Zoom call? 2 साल पहले हम सोच भी नहीं सकते थे कि हम आपसे Zoom call पे मिलेंगे. But today the Zoom call is the reality. So change is happening, absolutely happening. आपने डायनासोर के बारे में सुना है? Everybody has heard about dinosaurs. डायनासोर के बारे में सबने सुना है, right? Anybody who has seen dinosaurs, किसी ने डायनासोर को देखा है तो चैट बॉक्स में यस लिखो.
No.
किसी ने नहीं देखा है तो आप भी बोलेंगे सर इट्स अ सिली क्वेश्चन. Nobody has seen dinosaurs, but we know about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are so powerful animal on this planet. We know about it, right? But we have not seen it. But you know, amoeba, the small creature of the nature. We have seen amoeba. We have seen mungi. Mungi is the ant. चीटी ant. देखा है ना सबने?
Yes.
सुना भी है, देखा भी है. My question to you is now, my dear friends, why, in spite of the fact that dinosaur was so powerful animal, why dinosaurs are extinct today? Why we have not been able to see dinosaurs? And why we could able to see mungi or amoeba today? Can you tell me what is the reason? Why dinosaurs are extinct? Any idea? You can write in the chat box.
No.
Time? डायनासोर क्यों नहीं दिख रहे हमको आज? अमीबा क्यों दिख रहा है? एंड ईट डायनासोर. ओ माय गॉड, रुस्तम सर क्या बात है. नॉट एबल टू. यस, वृशाली जी, एब्सोल्युटली राइट. वृशाली जी, आई वांट टू कांग्रेचुलेट यू. You have rightly given this answer, that dinosaurs not able to adopt changes. If you are not able to adopt changes, changes are happening. अभी कितने कॉलेज में ये वेबिनार किया है इतना जल्दी? आप रीडर्स डे मना रहे हैं. कितने लोगों ने कितने सारे कॉलेज है मुंबई में? सबने तो नहीं किया रीडर्स डे. I want to congratulate you, the team of Bharat College, that they have done it. They are adopting changes. I've seen that Jan Gan Man national anthem they are playing, Saraswati Vandana they are playing. So they have adopted the technology completely. I liked it. I enjoyed it. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा मैडम आपने ये सब चलाया तो. So you are tuned with the technology. You have adopted the technology. You adopted the change. My dear friends, if you don't adopt the change, you will become dinosaur. अगर चेंज को अडॉप्ट नहीं करोगे तो डायनासोर बन जाओगे. मतलब इतिहास के पन्नों में दर्ज हो जाओगे. पीपल विल रिमेंबर यू इन हिस्ट्री. हाँ, एक डायनासोर होता था. हकीकत में नहीं रहोगे दोस्तों. अडॉप्ट चेंजेस. चेंज आर गोइंग टू हैपन. परिवर्तन संसार का नियम है. चेंज इज द लॉ ऑफ नेचर. इट्स गोइंग टू हैपन. समय के साथ बदलो दोस्तों. अपने आप को बदलो. टेक्नोलॉजी बदल रही है. Teaching methodology बदल रही है. Now a new education policy is coming. I think you must aware. NEP is coming. You should be ready to adopt NEP. If you don't adopt it, you will become dinosaur. And it's not important that when you will change. You have to change now. This moment. Change is not important, my dear friends. The speed of change is more important. कल से बदलेंगे नहीं चलेगा. अभी इस क्षण हमें बदलना होगा. अभी बदलेंगे तो ही हमारा सब कुछ बदलेगा. जो भी नई टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही है, नया मेथोडोलॉजी आ रही है, नए टीचिंग के कुछ स्टेप्स आ रहे हैं, सबको हमें बदलना होगा। अभी आपको बुक नहीं पढ़ना है तो ई बुक पढ़ो, बट पढ़ो तो सही। चेंज का मतलब ये थोड़ी कि हम बुक पढ़ना छोड़ देंगे, नो। इंस्टेड ऑफ फिजिकल बुक यू विल रीड ई बुक नाउ। E-library is available. Most of the colleges now providing e-library. So you can go to e-library and read the book. So adaptation of changes will make you to survive for a longer period. अगर आप चेंज को अडॉप्ट करते हैं तो आप लंबे समय के लिए जीवित रह सकते हैं दोस्तों, और अगर आप चेंज को अडॉप्ट नहीं करते हैं तो यू विल बिकम डायनासोर। आर यू गेटिंग मी? आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, please give respect to the time. Don't waste your time loitering here and there. Don't waste your time in gossiping. Don't waste your time in watching these nonsense serials. Netflix, Amazon Prime, they are showing all violent serials, and it's causing stress in our mind. Don't waste your time in unnecessary internet surfing. Use your time. Utilize each and every second of your life, my dear friends, because time is money. Study hard. There was a Vrishali madam, when introducing, she was saying hard work and smart work. Smart work करना है time management के साथ. What is hard work and smart work? Can you describe me? Anybody describe me? Hard work और smart work के बारे में हमने सुना है, अभी वृषाली मैडम ने बोला भी था, और आपके जो मैसेज है उसमें भी लिखा हुआ है कि टाइम मैनेजमेंट में हार्ड वर्क और स्मार्ट वर्क बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन हार्ड वर्क एंड स्मार्ट वर्क? कैन यू टेल मी? एनीबॉडी टेल मी? हार्ड वर्क और स्मार्ट वर्क में क्या फर्क है? एनीबॉडी, एनी आइडिया? नो आइडिया? यू कैन राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स इफ यू हैव सम आइडिया। हार्ड वर्क और स्मार्ट वर्क में कोई फर्क है? कोई फर्क तो है। हम बोलते हैं ना हमें स्मार्ट वर्क करना चाहिए, हार्ड वर्क नहीं करना चाहिए, बट है क्या दोनों में फर्क? यार, राहुल कुमार हैज रिटर्न स्मार्ट वर्क मींस कम टाइम में काम ज्यादा करना और अच्छी तरह से। वेरी गुड राहुल जी, थैंक यू सो मच, फैंटास्टिक आंसर, वेरी गुड आंसर। कम टाइम में ज्यादा अच्छे से काम करना, इसको स्मार्ट वर्क बोलते हैं। बहुत बढ़िया आंसर आपने दिया, थैंक यू सो मच राहुल जी। वैशाली जी इज राइटिंग स्मार्ट वर्क मींस डूइंग द वर्क स्मार्टली इन लेस टाइम। थैंक यू सो मच वैशाली जी, कम समय में अच्छे से कार्य को करना ही स्मार्ट वर्क है। वेरी गुड, थैंक यू सो मच वैशाली जी। एनी मोर आंसर्स? स्मार्ट वर्क, मोर अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क इन शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। प्रियंका जी, थैंक यू सो मच, वेरी गुड। एनी अदर आंसर्स? आई टेल यू व्हाट इज हार्ड वर्क। पहले मैं हार्ड वर्क बताता हूं। डूइंग थिंग्स राइटली इज हार्ड वर्क। डूइंग थिंग्स राइटली इज हार्ड वर्क। हर कार्य को सही तरीके से करना हार्ड वर्क की कैटेगरी में आता है। यू मस्ट बी लाफिंग, क्या बोल रहे सर? काम सही तरीके से करना हार्ड वर्क कैसे हो सकता है? यस, डूइंग थिंग्स राइटली इज हार्ड वर्क। आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज योर परसेप्शन नाउ। डूइंग थिंग्स राइटली इज हार्ड वर्क, ये स्मार्ट वर्क नहीं है। कार्य को सही तरीके से करना हार्ड वर्क की कैटेगरी में आता है दोस्तों, स्मार्ट वर्क की कैटेगरी में नहीं आता है। Then what is smart work? We are all intelligent guys, right? Smart work means doing only right thing is smart work. सिर्फ वही कार्य करना जो करना चाहिए, वो स्मार्ट वर्क की कैटेगरी में आता है। You have chosen to join this webinar, it is a smart work. You should be choosy what to do and what not to do. If there is a power off, आप वो लेके सब पावर सुधारने में लग जाओगे। If the tape is leaking, आप टेप ठीक करने में लग जाओगे। No, it's a job of plumber. Call the plumber. आपका काम नहीं है। जो आपका काम है वो आप करें। You should be choosy. You should intelligent enough to choose what I am supposed to do and do only those work. That is smart work. जो करना है वही करना, वही स्मार्ट वर्क है। स्मार्ट वर्क means would be aiming for the same result but planning and prioritization of tasks. Hard work would mean spending long hours to complete my. Okay, thank you so much, Komal ji. Very good answer you have given. So doing only right thing is smart work, and you have to do smart work. सो सब लोग स्मार्ट वर्क करेंगे, वही कार्य करेंगे जो करना है। सो एक स्मार्ट वर्क आप अभी कर सकते हैं। व्हाट यू कैन डू, कैन यू डू यू थिंक दिस वन नॉलेज सेशन इज एनफ फॉर यू? So before I will recite a poem for all of you, I'm posting one link here, YouTube link. I have my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe the channel and you can watch many of my motivational videos on that YouTube channel. उसमें मेरी बहुत सारी मोटिवेशन की वीडियो है, वो आप आराम से देखो, कोई जल्दी नहीं, आज देखो कल देखो, बट एक वीडियो चैनल जरूर देखना, उद्धव गीता। सो आई हैव पोस्टेड द लिंक, यू कैन क्लिक द लिंक, आप उसको क्लिक कर सकते हैं और क्लिक करने के बाद यू कैन सब्सक्राइब बटन होता है, उसको सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। अभी चाहे तो अभी कर सकते हैं, बाद में जब भी आपको टाइम मिले तब कर सकते हैं। एंड माय कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर इज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू, 9322599875 इज माय कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर। यू कैन कॉल मी एनी टाइम, आई एम अवेलेबल फॉर, एंड आई डोंट वांट एनी मनी, डोंट वरी, मैं आपसे कोई पैसा नहीं मांग रहा हूँ। आई एम हियर टू सर्व द पीपल, आई एम हियर टू सर्व द नेशन। मैं यहाँ सेवा करने के लिए हूँ आप सबकी। So garg.dr.anilkumar@gmail.com is my email ID. So you can click the link and then subscribe. And if you like, you can share the link. आप लोगों के साथ share भी कर सकते हैं। So with this, I would now going to the last part of my presentation. And in the last, I would like to recite a poem. वो time के ऊपर ही है, past and future के ऊपर ही है। Are you ready to listen to that poem?
Yes.
Okay, great. चलने वाले दोनों पैरों में, चलने वाले दोनों पैरों में कितना फर्क है। एक आगे रहता है, एक पीछे, राइट? एक आगे रहता है, एक पीछे, पर ना आगे वाले को अभिमान, ना पीछे वाले का अपमान। ना आगे वाले को अभिमान, ना पीछे वाले का अपमान। क्यों? क्योंकि इन्हें पता है कि पल भर में यह बदलने वाला है, पल भर में बदलने वाला है। आगे वाला पीछे, पीछे वाला आगे हो जाता है, राइट? इसी को जिंदगी कहते हैं दोस्तों, इसी को जिंदगी कहते हैं दोस्तों। गुजरी हुई जिंदगी को कभी याद न कर, गुजरी हुई जिंदगी को कभी याद न कर, तकदीर में जो लिखा है उसकी फरियाद न कर। जो होना है वो तो होकर ही रहेगा, तू कल की फिक्र में आज की खुशी को बर्बाद मत कर, तू कल की फिक्र में आज की खुशी को बर्बाद मत कर। दोस्तों, प्रकृति ने भी हमें सिखाया है, नेचर हैज टॉट अस, लास्ट स्टेज आई एम टेलिंग यू नाउ व्हाट नेचर हैज टॉट अस। हंस मरते हुए भी गाता है, यू नो व्हेन हंस इज डाइंग इट्स सिंगिंग। हंस मरते हुए भी गाता है, मोर नाचते हुए भी रोता है। यू नो व्हेन पीकॉक इज डांसिंग इट्स क्राइंग। आपने देखा होगा अभी बारिश में पीकॉक दिखते हैं बहुत, इधर उपवन वगैरह में, बदलापुर के उधर तो काफी दिख जाते हैं। सो हंस मरते हुए भी गाता है, मोर नाचते हुए भी रोता है। यही जिंदगी का फंडा है दोस्तों। क्या फंडा है? दुखों वाली रात हमें नींद नहीं आती, दुखों वाली रात हमें नींद नहीं आती, और खुशियों वाली रात सोता कौन है, खुशियों वाली रात सोता कौन है। दोस्तों, मेरी आपसे एक ही अपील है, पेंडेमिक है, कोरोना है, सब कुछ है, लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन हमें टाइम को रेस्पेक्ट देते हुए, टाइम को इज्जत देते हुए, टाइम को पूरा सम्मान देते हुए जिंदगी में बहुत आगे जाना है। एक एक मिनट इंपॉर्टेंट है, आगे बढ़ो, हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो। जिंदगी एक गीत है, जिंदगी एक गीत है, इसे गुनगुनाते रहो, इसे गुनगुनाते रहो, इसे गुनगुनाते रहो। थैंक यू सो मच। फ्लोर इज ओपन फॉर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। आपके कोई भी क्वेश्चन है आप पूछ सकते हैं।
Thank you so much, sir, for making this session more interesting and motivating too. Thank you so much. We would definitely like to have more sessions with you, sir. Thank you. And students, if you have any question, you can write it in chat box, or you can unmute yourself and you can ask it.
या अनम्यूट करके भी आप पूछ सकते हैं क्वेश्चंस, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। यू कैन टॉक टू मी नाउ। और यू कैन राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स आल्सो, बोथ ऑप्शंस आर देयर। ग्रेट पोएम सर, थैंक यू सो मच। Priyanka ji, thank you for wonderful session. Thank you, Priyanka ji. Roshni ji, thank you, sir. Awesome. Reena ji, okay. Thank you so much. Pooja Singh, thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Achirang, sir. So nice of you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Jahir ji, thank you so much. वैशाली जी, आप म्यूट पर रखेंगे, आपको थोड़ा डिस्टर्बेंस ज्यादा आ रहा है आपके उधर से. हाँ. So you can write your question on the chat box. Thank you, sir, for wonderful session. Bunty ji, thank you, Bunty ji. Shweta ji, thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, Shweta ji. So your all questions are answered already. Huh? Okay. Masoom Patel, thank you. We still have some time to answer your questions or doubt, and you can always, I told you, I'm always available. I'm at your service. So anytime you can call me or message me or WhatsApp me, whatever. I'm always there to help you. And no, nothing to worry. No money is required. Rahul Kumar is writing, thank you so much for wonderful session, sir. And once again, thank you for giving me your precious time. Oh, thank you so much for attending this webinar. Time is precious for not mine, it's yours also. Aapka time bhi bahut precious, and I'm sure I have done justice with your each and every minute. मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है, पूरा भरोसा है कि मैंने आपके समय के साथ जस्टिस किया है. आपका एक मिनट भी वेस्ट नहीं होने दिया है. एक मिनट भी मैंने आपका वेस्ट नहीं होने दिया है. I think I have done justice. And you do justice with your time. You do justice with everybody's time. आप अपने टाइम के साथ जस्टिस करो और सबके टाइम के साथ जस्टिस करो. अगर 12:30 बजे का क्लास है, 12:30 बजे पहुंच जाओ. 12:45 पे क्लास शुरू मत करो बाबा. टाइम के साथ जस्टिस करो, टाइम को रिस्पेक्ट करो, टाइम को इज्जत दो दोस्तों. यस सर, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है. ओके राहुल जी, थैंक यू सो मच. रोशनी जी इज राइटिंग, यस सर, थैंक यू रोशनी जी. मोजेस is writing, yes sir, okay, thank you Moses, thank you so much. Yashasvi is writing, thank you sir, I like your positive nature, thank you so much Yashasvi ji. And you should give thanks to Neetu Kapoor madam and Vaishali madam. They are taking lot of efforts in bringing me here today. Last 10-15 days they are in touch with me, and somehow we manage the time and everything, and today I'm here today with you. So हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो, जिंदगी एक गीत है, मुस्कुराते रहो, बस गुनगुनाते रहो. Yes, madam.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Shweta madam to propose formal vote of thanks. Over to you, Shweta madam.
Thank you,
Neha
madam.
Patil, thank you, sir. Rustam Patil, thank you, sir. Okay, thank you. Yeah, madam, please carry on.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. It is my privilege to propose a formal vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed this online workshop. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude on behalf of Bharat College of Arts and Commerce, sir. I would like to thank you, our today's keynote speaker, Dr. Anil Kumar Garg, who honored this function with his inspirational thoughts and knowledge. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing today's session. I'm also thankful towards our management and our honorable chairperson, Mr. Bharat Sarupa, sir, for his continuous support and motivation always. I would like to thank our beloved in-charge principal, Dr. Neetu Kapoor, madam, for her continuous support and guidance always. I'm also thankful to our staff secretary, Dr. Savita Punjabi, madam, IQSC coordinator, Professor Farida Khopoliwala, for their support always. I'm also thankful Ms. Vrushali Kulkarni, madam, for organizing this webinar. And last but not the least, I'm very thankful to all the audience also. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
All the best. Be happy, be healthy. All the best to all of you.
Thank
खुश
you,
रहो,
sir.
हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो, जिंदगी एक गीत है, गुनगुनाते रहो. Bye. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.